Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 32, image formation by spherical mirror and mirror formula. In this worksheet, we will learn about the image formation by concave and convex mirror and also the mirror formula. We must consider the following rules for image formation. The intersection of at least two reflected rays give the position of image of the point object. किसी ऑब्जेक्ट की इमेज को लोकेट करने के लिए कौन सा पॉइंट इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ एटलीस्ट टू रिफ्लेक्टेड, दो रिफ्लेक्टेड रेस का जो इंटरसेक्शन होता है उस पॉइंट पर हम इमेज को लोकेट करते हैं, पोजीशन उसकी फाइंड आउट करते हैं. Any two of the following rays can be considered for locating the image. First, a ray parallel to the principal axis after reflection will pass through the principal focus in case of concave mirror or appear to diverge from the principal focus in case of convex mirror. So, these are the picture. First case is drawn for you. अगर कोई रे प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के पैरेलल आती है तो रिफ्लेक्शन के बाद कहाँ से जाती है बच्चों? ये फोकस से होकर जाती है. सेकंड, अ रे पासिंग थ्रू द प्रिंसिपल फोकस ऑफ अ कॉन्केव मिरर और अ रे विच इज़ डायरेक्टेड टूवर्ड्स द प्रिंसिपल फोकस ऑफ अ कॉन्वेक्स मिरर आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन will emerge parallel to the principal axis. क्या मतलब हुआ बच्चों इसका? सेकंड केस है आपका कि अगर कोई रे फोकस से होकर जाती है तो आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन कैसे जाएगी? ये पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. थर्ड केस इज अ रे पासिंग थ्रू the center of curvature of the concave mirror or directed in the direction of center of curvature of convex mirror after reflection is reflected back along the same path. अगर कोई रे सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर से होकर जाती है तो आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन ये सेम पाथ पर रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाती है या बैक हो जाती है सेम पाथ पर. नेक्स्ट, a ray incident obliquely to the principal axis towards the point P. P is the pole of the mirror on the concave mirror or a convex mirror is reflected obliquely. अगर कोई रे पोल पर obliquely आती है तो after reflection it will go obliquely in both the cases, concave as well as convex mirror. Now, mirror formula. What do you mean by mirror formula? Mirror formula is 1 upon f equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. This is the mirror formula where u is equal to object distance and v is equal to image distance while f is focal length of the mirror. Relation between the r, radius of curvature, and f equal to r by 2. The formula of linear magnification of the spherical mirror M is equal to h2 upon h1 equal to minus v upon u. What determines the sign of M? M का साइन से हमें क्या पता चलता है? If M is negative, image will be real, and if M is positive, image will be virtual. Now we will discuss question answer. Your first question is, write the true or false for the following statement. First, a ray parallel to the principal axis after reflection will pass through the principal focus in case of concave mirror. This statement will be right. So, true statement. Second, a ray incident obliquely to the principal axis towards a point P, pole of the mirror, on the concave mirror or a convex mirror is reflected parallel to the principal axis. No, statement is wrong. Third, a ray passing through the center of curvature of the concave mirror or directed in the direction of center of curvature of a convex mirror after reflection is reflected back along the same path. This statement is true. Now, second question. Let us practice. These are some MCQs. First one is, concave mirror produce a magnified image, the object is placed. If the concave mirror produces a magnified image, then the object will be placed A at the focus, B between the focus and center of curvature, C between focus and pole, and D beyond the center of curvature. So, correct answer will be between focus and pole. Second, the position of image is at C and of same size of object. The position of the object is at first at the focus, second between the focus and center of curvature, third between the focus and pole, and D at the center of curvature. So, correct answer will be at the center of curvature. Third, a mirror produce real, inverted and highly enlarged image. The mirror is real and inverted. So, this mirror will be concave mirror. So, correct answer is A, concave mirror. Now, fourth question. The radius of curvature of a spherical mirror is 40 centimeter. Calculate the focal length. So, what is the relation between the center of curvature, radius of curvature of a spherical mirror and focal length? So, F equal to R by 2. So, R is given to you. So, F will be 40 upon 2. So, the value of F will be 20 centimeter. Thanks for watching.